Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a pest killer. So with the help of this equipment or machine, you can able to remove different type of pests and mosquito and flies from your home. So the construction is very easy. I have already built these two part A and part B, in which the every details are given in previous video in my channel, so you can follow to make different part of this machine. So in this part I am just assembling two part A and part B to make it a complete version. So you can see how I have installed the two part. So the entire video of the build part is already given uploaded in my channel, as I have already stated earlier. So if you want to build, you can see my previous video. So you can see I have installed the blade part from 3D printer. So the build part is almost completed. The motor has an RPM of about 7200, so it is really very fast, so it works well. So first of all, you have to connect the machine with 12-volt adapter, turn on the blue light or pink light or ultraviolet light. So this light have 7 to 8 mode of different color, and you have to first turn it on. So as I have installed a BLDC motor and BLDC drive, you have to first reset it and then start it. So then you can see it is working fine. The RPM is so high that the insect cannot able to recognize the moving part, and if you turn off the light, it works fine. So thank you, please subscribe